Thanks for joining us today for Fortunate Questions. Hey, this is the time when we read your questions that you've sent to us and try to answer them to the best of our abilities. Sometimes it's, doubtful what our abilities really are, but we try our best, and today it is your turn to pick
up the fortune cookie.
Yes, that Mr. Wong has baked into the cookies for us. We sent him over a new list of questions, and let's see what he put in there. And what are we pulling out today? Hey, this is from Roger from San Antonio. The stars at night. No, I'm not going to go
Hey,
there.
Raj, what's happening?
What's happening? Hey, if you know what that's from, put it in the comments below if you're old enough to remember that show. Roger. Okay, so how about I read the question instead of making jokes? It says, Roger says, can I use my camera in the rain?
Hey. We've got some experience with that.
Yes.
So,
asked me 2 years ago, and I said, no.
Yeah. So, you know what? If it's a modern camera, meaning anything in the last 5 years, you can. Do you want to submerge it in water?
No.
In a little shower?
Yeah. Could you just take precautions? Be smart.
It's not going to hurt it. And, you're going to send me a comment saying, oh, never do that. But you know what? It's not. It's not going to hurt it.
Yeah.
Most of the cameras, all of the pro bodies are weather sealed.
Yep.
Most of the cameras now have some weather sealing.
Even your prosumers now, or most of them.
And in fact, this is a good example. Like, we had somebody at a workshop take a dunk. We were shooting out at a lake.
Yep.
And they took a dunk with their
5D Mark III.
Mark IV.
Yeah.
It was a Mark IV with his brand new 680 flash. It's completely submerged.
7200.
7200 completely submerged underwater.
Wait.
You know what?
Bloop, and back up.
The body worked fine.
Yeah.
So, pretty amazing. But anyways, just to say all that, we have a really good example. We were shooting in India a year and a few months ago. And I was getting all these great pictures, right? We were walking on a 9-mile walk through the rain.
It was rainy that day.
It was not just raining. It was pouring rain.
Clothes soaked.
Right? And I had my camera out the whole time, taking really fun, cool pictures. And Mark had his camera wrapped up in his coat.
I had it in my backpack.
Is it? Yeah.
Pull it out.
But then when you had it out, it was like you wrapped it up in your coat and you're just firing it through the little hole in your coat. And I said, just don't worry about it. And what freedom that gave you.
Yeah. And not to mention, I missed some of the best photos of that trip that you took and the person that was with us took. Amazing photos that day. And I blew it by being afraid that my camera's going to get wet and ruined.
Just gear.
Not anymore.
Just gear.
Just gear. Get it out there. Get it wet. But be smart.
Yeah.
We're not, again, saying go out and get it soaked.
So if it is wet, okay, let's talk about that. If your camera is wet, you've been out in the rain, for an hour and it's just got some drips on. Take that microfiber cloth, wipe it down before you put it back in your bag. Simple as that. Yeah. But don't be scared. I mean, you'd be amazed at how good electronics are.
Yeah. And you'll be amazed how great the photos are that are out there on a rainy day. Man,
it's good stuff.
Some really good stuff. Half the year you're going to probably encounter rain. So, great question, Roger.
Roger.
Does it rain in San Antonio?
Does it snow in San Antonio?
I think it does.
Roger, put your comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
If you know if it rains in San Antonio, let us know.
And Roger, we would love to do something out in San Antonio. If you know of anybody out there that would like to have us come out, including you, let us know, Roger from San Antonio.
That's right.
We'll come and visit you personally.
Hey, and like always, we ask that you like and subscribe. Give us that big thumbs up so we can keep continuing to do what we love, and that is interacting with you.
That's right.
Like always, the most important thing is we want you to remember to always say sushi.
Till next time.